Hey guys, so today we are going to be refurbishing this black desk that I got from Walmart. I'm going to be sanding it completely down and spray painting it with a Rust-Oleum color called Satin Nickel, and then we're going to be putting new hardware on it. And so let's see the process. So we are going to start off by sanding it. Alright guys, well I've been sanding this thing down for like 3 days, almost 4, and I am exhausted. So I think I'm going to try to paint it white over this and then do the satin nickel color, which is like a silver. I sanded all of that side, I sanded under there, and then I sanded that side. You can't really see it, but I didn't end up sanding inside there because it was just too much work. The sander wouldn't fit right there. So I'm going to just try to do it white and then paint over that. Okay guys, so 5 cans of this later, and I finished the project. So this is how it looks. I already kind of put some stuff in it, but I think I'm going to add like a strip of like diamonds right here or something to cover that up, because that used to be like a little border thingy that I sanded off. But other than that, it looks so good. I added new hardware, like $4 from Home Depot, and I love it. I love it so much. It's hard to see in here, but it's like a glittery silver color. I also did this, and this is the kind of thing I was talking about. I want to add a strip of these over on that thing. But yeah, I refurbished this as well. Maybe I'll make a video on how I did that. But yeah, it went from just a boring black desk to this really awesome glittery silver color. It's called Satin Nickel. I'll also add a picture in at the end so you can see it a little bit better. Alright, bye guys.